Hello friends, welcome to our channel Shorthand Master. At the beginning of my every video, I request all of you that if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Your one subscription is very important for the growth of this channel, and also you will never miss any new shorthand dictation videos. Thank you. Today I will give you dictation number 18 at 80 words per minute. So be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Sir, the Essential Commodities Act was passed 5 years ago, and when the minister yesterday came with an amending bill, we expected that he would give us a brief report on the working of this measure for the last few years. But unfortunately, we are kept in the dark in regard to the exact working of the act and the nature of difficulties the minister is facing. Sir, as far as I know, many of the provisions of this bill have been observed wrong at the state level. The food minister may be able to see that the various provisions of the act are implemented in the most effective manner at the state level, but unfortunately the agents at the state are not equally enthusiastic to observe the provisions of the enactment. The most important objectives of this enactment are to control the supply and distribution of commodities and to maintain a stable price level. Next para. In this regard, I am afraid that the government has failed to realize the objective. In the past, when there was scarcity of food grains, attempts were made to make procurement from certain wholesale dealers and from rice mills. I know of many instances of such procurement where certain things had to be done and certain steps had to be taken by the dealers community, but nothing was done by the government in this connection. As a result, there was a consequent rise in the prices of food grains. In respect of other commodities like iron, paper, and steel, we see a lot of speculative activities. We are interested to know in how many cases the government have taken steps against the individuals who have violated the various sections of the act. The minister said that the powers under the act were not adequate. I want to know what action has been taken in this regard by the various state governments. Stop. Friends, keep practicing these shortcuts regularly and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Dear friends, this is not my channel, it's your channel, created to help you achieve your goals and improve your shorthand skills. Your one subscription encourages me to continue creating more useful shorthand dictation videos for you. Thank you for watching our channel. See you in the next video. Bye.